This is your test for measurement. Please put your name at the top and then look at the board and write the date down. Remember, you can pause this video and rewind it to rewatch it as much as you need to, and you can pause to write down answers as well. For your first box right here with the pencil and the stapler in it, it says circle the object that is heavier. So you're going to pick one of those objects, which one is heavier, and circle it. Go ahead and do that now. Your next box says circle the object that is shorter. So out of those two watches, you're going to circle the one that is shorter. Go ahead and circle the one that's shorter now. Moving on to the next section where the 4 boys. This says, which is the tallest child? You're going to circle one of those boys, and you're circling the tallest boy. Circle the tallest boy now. For the next section, it says number the objects by shortest to longest. So here I have 3 tubes of toothpaste. Next to those tubes of toothpaste, I have 3 boxes. You're going to use the numbers 1, 2, and 3 to order those toothpastes in order from shortest to longest. So right now, I want you to look at the toothpastes, find the shortest one, find the box next to the shortest one, and put the number 1 in that box. Then I want you to find the next shortest, or the medium one, and put a 2 in that box. Then I want you to find the longest one and put a 3 in that box next to it. So again, here are your boxes. This is where you're putting your 1, 2, and 3, but you have to put it in order from shortest to longest. Number 1 is your shortest toothpaste, number 2 is your medium toothpaste, and number 3 is your longest toothpaste. Then you're going to look over here at the monkeys. We're going to do the same thing. This time we're looking from shortest to tallest. So you're going to take your numbers again and put them in the boxes. You're going to find the monkey that is the shortest and put the 1 in his box. Find the monkey that is medium height and put a 2 in his box. And then find the monkey that is tallest and put a 3 in his box. Again, our numbers should be going in the boxes, and I should be ordering them by height. So 1 is the shortest, 2 is the medium, and 3 is the tallest. Our next section says, how long is this object? For my first section here, I have a bunch of cubes. They are stuck together so you can measure using cubes. So look at that pencil, and then over here, you're going to count how many cubes long this pencil is. When you figured out how many cubes long the pencil is, you're going to write that number right here, next to the word cubes. Then you're going to go down to the paintbrush. The paintbrush has 2 different types of measuring tools. The first one is triangles. The second one is paper clips. So what you're going to do is you're going to count how many triangles long that paintbrush is and put that number next to triangles right here. Then you're going to look at the paper clips and you're going to count how many long paper clips there are for that paintbrush, how many paper clips long it is, and you're going to put that number next to paper clips. So again, you're counting how many triangles long this paintbrush is, putting that number next to triangles, and then you're counting how many paper clips long that paintbrush is and putting it next to paper clips. Just like every test, these over here, that are kind of small and slanted, those are for your teacher, so please do not put anything on those lines. If you're all done, please go turn it in. Make sure you've answered all the questions.